Hello, guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you a simple Gele head wrap tutorial. Kindly like and subscribe for more. So, guys, this is why I place my Gele on my head, and I already made my pleats before placing it on my head. So, I'm just making sure they are neatly arranged well. I'm doing that to both sides of my gele. So I'm picking my pleats one after the other and I'm making sure they are neatly placed well. Because one thing about tying your gele or head wrap is making sure that the pleats are perfect because the pleat is the beauty of your gele. So I did that to the other side of my gele. So I just twisted my gele. I twisted it to side. Then I took one side of the fabric and I'm wrapping it around. I'm making sure that the wrap are neatly wrapped. Then I'm wrapping them around, neatly wrapping them around. I'm just doing that to one side of the fabric. Then I'm wrapping them around, taking it round, taking it round. And I did that to the second part of my fabric. I just took it round. I didn't make use of any pin at all. I just used the remaining fabric and I pinned it down to the ones already wrapped at the back of my gilly. I just put it in between my wraps. So this is the final look, guys. So in this part, I just felt like dropping my head twists down. If you guys have any short braids on, you can like drop your head down. Thank you for watching.